Hello, beautiful family. Good day. Welcome back to the channel. This is Chi Organic Skincare. In case you are coming across my channel for the first time, you are highly welcome. So, guys, today I want to teach you guys how you can make a very potent and a whitening base cream. Yeah, this base cream is a kind of base cream you will use to premix any type of lotion you want, be it glowing lotion, hot chocolate or caramel skin lotion, whitening lotion, or lightening lotion. Yeah, so this particular base cream is super potent and effective. Yeah, so if you are someone who's looking for a very good base cream to use in your productions, this one is a very good one for you. So guys, without wasting much time, let's go straight into the video. And if you know you're new on my channel, you've not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel, like my videos, share my videos, and give your girl a good thumbs up. And to my old subscribers, you guys are the best. Thank you guys for subscribing to my channel. So guys, let's go straight. Now in making base cream, you have three phases in making base cream. This is gonna be like a teaching. Yeah, before I give out the recipe. So we have three phases when making the base cream. We have the oil phase, the water phase, and the cool down phase. Yeah, oil phase, the water phase, and the cool down phase. Now, in the oil phase, it comprises of the waxes and oils you are going to use in the production. Number one is your e-wax. Your e-wax, you'll be needing 500 grams of your e-wax, your stearic acid, 300 grams, cetyl alcohol, 200 grams, and then your coconut oil. You can use shea butter, you can use sweet almond oil, you can use your olive oil, you can use coconut, any oil you lay your hand on. You can also use sunflower oil. So guys, you just pour in 200 ml of your coconut oil into your waxes which are the e-wax, stearic acid, and the cetyl alcohol. You pour in coconut oil into it, and then you allow it to melt on a double boiler. Double boiler is you put a pot of water on the fire on your gas. You place in a plate, which is a stainless plate containing your waxes and oil, on top of the boiling water, and allow your wax to melt, that is how to do a double boiling method. Now after your waxes are melted, you bring it down. That is when you introduce the water phase. Then you pour in your distilled water, clean water. If you don't have distilled water, you're not buoyant enough to buy, you can boil your clean tap water. Boil it, allow it to boil, make sure it boils, then allow it to cool down a bit before you pour it into your oil, your melted wax. Then you keep stirring it, you stir it till your cream becomes thick, it solidifies, it becomes thick, like how normal cream used to be. Then you allow it to cool down. When your cream cools down, then you add in, depending on the quantity you are making, then you pour it, you just your salicylic acid, 100 grams of your salicylic acid. You will dissolve it in a 100 grams of your propylene glycol. 100 grams of your salicylic acid should be dissolved in a 100-gram propylene glycol. After dissolving it, then you pour it into your base lotion. You pour it in. Then your glutathione powder, if you have any, you also dissolve your giga white powder, 50 grams each, glutathione powder 50 grams, giga white powder 50 grams, kojic D powder 100 grams. You dissolve this in your, be it oil If it's dissolvable using oil, you dissolve. I can't be teaching all that here right now. Like giga white oil, sorry, giga white powder, you check whether it's water soluble or oil soluble. If it is water soluble, you dissolve with water on a double boiler, and then you pour it into your lotion. If it is oil soluble, you pour in your oil or your propylene glycol, then you dissolve on a double boiler and pour it into your base lotion. Same thing goes with your lactic acid. If you have lactic acid in a powdered form, you dissolve and pour it in. If it is the liquid form, measure in 50 grams of your lactic acid and then pour it into your base lotion. Salicylic acid is 100 grams. Dissolve in 100 ml of propylene glycol. Glutathione powder, dissolve it 50 grams. Giga white powder 50 grams. Kojic acid powder 100 grams. Dissolve and pour into your base lotion. Lactic acid 50 ml. Dissolve and pour it into your lotion or base cream. Your alpha arbutin, be it powder, you dissolve and pour it into your base cream. Then you add in your preservative. You add in what? Your preservative. This is the last one. So this particular recipe is on making your base cream. Now when you want to activate it, and all these powders should be poured in on your cool down face. Yeah, after dissolving your wax, you add in your water. After adding in your water to make it into a cream, when it thickens up, I like to cool down a bit before adding up all these additives. Yeah, now after doing this, you can now go ahead to activate your base if you want to make a whitening cream. Now this particular base should be used for a whitening lotion or a lightening lotion, because all these powders in it are super active. That when you get the first grade of it, they are super active. So it cannot be used for a caramel skin. If you want to use this particular lotion for a base for a caramel or a hot chocolate skin, please reduce your powder. You can go in with just giga white powder or your kojic deep powder. These two powders are enough. Is enough for a caramel skin. So that is it. Now let's go on to activate this particular lotion. Now if you want to activate it, get your nature secret oil. Just get 5 bottles of your nature secret oil, your citro clear oil 5, your carrot white oil 5, and then you activate your base cream. Hope you guys are getting it. Then your nano half cast oil, get this oil and then activate your base cream. Nano half cast oil 5 bottles just to activate your base cream. So guys, if I'm to teach you how you can actually make this particular lotion base cream into a whitening cream or a whitening lotion, message me. I'll drop down the tutorial, the recipe. But and again, if you want to register for our online training, it's available. All this you'll be getting it
And this is
the
material
way
temperature
it is, like
whitening
in a raw
lotion.
form. You'll be
It's
getting
super
the
effective,
full
very very
recipe.
effective,
So guys, this
and
is all for
also
this
going to suit
particular video
customer at Ghana.
or recipe.
So guys, we'll
I will see you
produce
guys
more
on my
videos
next
in
video.
the
Please
future.
subscribe to my channel if you know you've not
If you want
subscribed.
us to produce
Like
for
my
you,
videos,
just
share my videos.
DM a
I will
me,
see you
message
guys on my
us,
next one.
and we'll be proud.